you're heading for the coast, hearing voices up ahead of you. Who am I to let you go?
Are his portion and he's our prize. We're drawn to redemption by the grace in his eyes. If grace is an ocean, we're all sinking. So heaven meets earth like an unforeseen kiss, and my heart turns violently inside of my chest. And I don't have time to maintain these regrets when I think about the way. And we are his portion, he is our blood. Drawn to redemption by the grace in his eyes. The grace is an ocean, we're all sinking. So heaven meets earth like an
Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Your velvet dress is slipping up.
Hey friends, I'm at the park right now. I've been terrible at vlogging this week. Like, I know it's only Tuesday, but it just feels like I've been doing really bad at vlogging it, and I'm getting on myself. But I don't have my camera. I don't have anything with me but this book, and all I wanted to do was walk around this park and read. I haven't vlogged much today. I'm not gonna lie, today's been kind of rough for absolutely no reason. Okay. Today's been kind of rough for absolutely no reason, and the sky is pretty much my mood. Okay. And I feel like I don't, or I try not to, or just am not. I'm gonna try to say what I have to say fast because my phone keeps running out of storage. But you know, when you're just not in a good mood, not feeling it, I never feel like recording, and I don't really want to show you guys you know, that side of me either, because it's not fun to watch. But this is just my little excerpt. Like, it's finals week. I'm being tough on myself because finals week is hard, and like, I don't know, not even just that, like, we all have off days, and I'm definitely having a very off day right now. But I'm proud of myself that I made myself get out of bed. I laid in bed for 2 hours, but I made myself get out and go on a walk, and I feel a lot better, and I'm gonna read a little bit. And that's what I do when I'm not feeling it. Hey guys, little update, because I haven't said hey in quite a bit, but I came home to a ball of yarn, which made my day a whole lot better. But it's also kind of stupid because I'm making this tank top, and like, look, it's like 98% done. All I need is one more strap, but I don't have enough yarn. Like, this is all of the yarn, so I had to buy a whole new ball of it, which I don't know if I really don't think I'll have room to bring this home, but it's okay. But this yarn you can't buy in the US, or if you do, it's like 15 bucks because you have to ship it from the UK, which is stupid. I was like, it's okay, I'm gonna need to stress crochet this week anyways, so I think I might finish this tonight. But other updates from today, because I didn't update you because I was sad. I was working on my art essay, and okay, look at this, guys. Look at this long, beautiful, like, analysis of Van Gogh's. Look, this is a painting I chose. I think it's so pretty, but it's like 500 words too long, and I'm like a word dumper. Like, I type like way too much, and I can type too much, but when there's a limit, like, cutting this down is gonna be kind of rough. So I think that's my goal for tonight. I need to like cut it down, and then I'm gonna like revise it a little more, make it sound a little better. Just got back from group dinner, had some delicious Lebanese food.
All your memories through a broken Telecaster. Would you be here in the fall, in the long December? Pull me closer.
So we just had our last art class and I'm heading to my favorite cafe to do some work and I'm so excited. I love this place.
And I'm buried in the rocks, dear. If you're leaving, let me know. Is it in the papers? Is it in your bloodstream?
Currently heading to the next study spot. Sometimes I like to move around just to get like a difference in scenery.
Head in the glass, fogging up the windows. Now you're never gonna come back. You don't really care. You're never gonna come back. It's alright.
Hey guys, so I'm at my second study location. It's a bit more of like a food market place. And I got gelato because I wanted gelato. I know it isn't really the ideal study spot, but I feel like we should normalize getting ice cream by yourself for one. And two, normalize getting ice cream and studying. Because if you want gelato, get gelato. And this is the best stracciatella gelato ever. And I love stracciatella gelato, so those are my 2 pieces for today. But I'm not letting myself go home until I finish my essay, my 5-page paper, or at least get a draft of it. So that's the plan for now. This is a very London/Seattle problem, but I'm now walking home. Here's my little predicament. I was planning on staying at the market and like studying for a long time, which is fine because I have Wi-Fi and stuff, but first off, I was cold. I'm always cold, and I don't like the idea of being stuck places, and it's supposed to rain in 30 minutes. It takes about 40 minutes to walk home, but I don't know, I'm for some reason under the impression that I walk fast when I just literally don't, but I'm gonna try to walk home before it starts raining, because that would actually be terrible because I have my laptop in my bag, so actually if it rains, that's gonna be a pretty big problem. Anyways, I'll update you on how it goes, because it's pretty out right now.
Swamp picket fences, meet your parents, cast your shoes off in the pool. Don't it seem Carolina treats you better? I won't steal and I won't cheat. Would you stay with me? But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. When you spoke to me, but everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. Swamp picket fences. Is it in the papers? Is it in your bloodstream?
Hey friends, so today is an intensive study day, which basically means we have no classes. Finals officially starts tomorrow, but as I said a little bit earlier, I basically just have a bunch of papers that I've been working on for the past like week, so I only have like one in-class final, but of course I'm gonna go grind on some papers today. I just started off my day by getting some pho with friends and my favorite tiramisu, which was delicious, but I don't know about you guys, it's so hard to get yourself to do work after, like I feel like I did today wrong. Like I should do my work and then treat myself with a social outing and food with my friends, but I just didn't do that, and now all I want to do is take a nap, even though I quite literally just woke up. But I also just want to show you guys top that I crocheted recently. It's like my favorite shape, and honestly Do you see this? I'm so proud of myself for making this. I'm like obsessed with it, and I think I'm gonna make it in a bunch of different colors. Like I think this is gonna be my summer top, and it was so easy. I'm just proud of myself. Anyways, let's get to doing some schoolwork.
Kama Sutra, does it suit you?
Lighting, wonky. Hey guys.
Why are you outside, Melanie? Why are you walking in your duck sweater right now when you should be inside typing your essay?
You may be wondering. For starters, I worked on my essay for like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. I have a whole outline done, so I'm doing okay there. And I'm like, wow, it's so pretty. Look at this. Also, just in general, I feel like I've been pretty on top of it. And you didn't see the beginning of this video. Like, I by necessity kind of need to go on a walk every day, especially if it looks like this outside, or else I get really antsy and sad. Like I need to see the outdoors, I need to move my legs. I love walking and listening to my music, so that's what we're doing right now. And I actually, unfortunately, this is the sad part, saw this tank top, I don't know, some girl got at Urban Outfitters, and it was actually like the cutest thing ever. So I'm unfortunately going to search for that right now. Really, really unfortunate, but I'll update you if I find it or if I buy stuff. I also, by necessity, need to go buy some gum because I actually can't function without gum either. So that's my update. I'm gonna go on my little treat myself walk, and I'll see you guys back at the house.
The dress is slipping off. Would you stay with me?
What do you guys think about these? Because I honestly don't think I'm a huge fan. This Urban is huge. Also, I don't know if I'm dumb, but I swear Urban doesn't have this at home. They're giving me mad upcycling inspo. Guys, I'll admit, I shouldn't have come here. I really shouldn't have, but it's probably a haul coming soon, so. Guys, so cute. Hey guys, so I just got back from my lovely little shopping excursion and walk, and I just want to show you my outfit real quick. Well, that looks weird right now. I swear it didn't look like that the whole time. Can you see it? But anyways, I think I'm gonna go call my mom and eat dinner, and after that it's all essay work from there. So I swear by now you've seen every single study room, but this is the new study spot. I think this is so funny. Also so funny. And second coffee today.
It's coming through you. Never knew how much it meant when you spoke to me.
Hey guys, as you can tell, I'm on my walk again, so you know what that means, but I'm in my favorite place in the world, the park, going for my much needed walk because I've just been sitting and writing papers all day, which has not been great. Honestly, this week has been tough, not in terms of like writing papers is tough, writing it's fine, but it's just like putting me in the worst mood and like this slum where I just like do work and lay in bed and feel gross and disgusting about myself. I'm like so sad. So I decided I'm gonna go on a freaking 2-hour walk because I need it, and I just want to listen to music and podcasts and look at the pretty flowers at the park because it's much needed. I also didn't get gum last week, so I'm gonna go find some gum, but look how pretty it is.
Small picket fences, meet your parents, cast your shoes off in the pool. Don't it seem Carolina treats you better? I won't steal and I won't cheat. Would you stay with me?
Hey friends, so I'm just chilling on a bench right now. Chilling on a bench right now. It's really sunny and nice out. Like, it's warm enough to just wear a hoodie, and oh, this walk was so needed. I feel so much better. I'm not in the right headspace at home. Just to walk you through my day, because I didn't film that much. I woke up pretty grumpy once again. All I really did today is went to a cafe, got a massive scone, which was amazing, and did work there, which was also amazing. I need to finish editing a video, which I'll probably do tonight. I wanted to get my nice little walk. That was pretty much it. I took a nap. I called my dad for a little bit, but it's just been a really mellow work week, basically. My essays aren't really due till next week, and I have an actual in-class final next week also, but I figured I would stop this video at the end of the week now, just because you're just gonna be watching me write more essays and be sad and then go on walks and then anyways, that's pretty much it for today. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me and keeping me company on this kind of difficult week, but you know, once finals are over, we'll be good. And that also means we're moving home soon, but you guys will be with me for that. Thank you guys so much for coming with me on this week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.